Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be diluting the Young Living Bath and Shower Gel. And this bottle is 8 ounces. I have the lavender scent. There's a few scents to choose from, but you can also just get the base and then add your own essential oils to it. But I like the lavender. I shower at night, so lavender is perfect for me. And I have a few dilution recipes and DIY videos about how to dilute the Thieves hand soap, as well as making your own DIY hand soap. I also have a foaming baby wash, as well as a foaming baby shampoo, kind of like a 2-in-1. But yeah, I have a few other DIY dilution recipes as well. And this one's a little bit different. Actually, I feel like it's probably easier because I already have the pre-made base with the lavender scent. So you're going to need any kind of foaming pump, and this one is from Young Living's Winter Nights hand soap. I'm probably gonna take the label off, but you can't see it anyway. It's white, it's a white bottle, so I figured no reason in taking the label off because you couldn't see what I was doing inside of it anyway. You need your shower gel, your foaming pump, whatever size you would like. I'm using an 8-ounce bottle, so I'm gonna kind of give you measurements to 8 ounces, and then you can adjust for yourself if necessary. And then I'm gonna also use 100% raw and unfiltered honey. I do like the Nature Nates, but I also like to use our local raw honey as well. But I really love, this one doesn't actually have the squeeze top. Some of them usually do, the smaller ones do. And this one I will have to pour, but I do like that honey, especially for DIY. And just some distilled water, and I did warm it up. So I'm actually going to show you guys here. So I have 5 ounces of distilled water and I warmed it up. It's not super hot or anything. And to that, I'm going to add about 1 ounce of honey. So it's not a ton. You can get an idea for how much honey. And these are also estimates. You can also add, take away, do whatever you want to it. And then I'm going to add the bath and shower gel. I'm going to add until I get up to 8 ounces, just right there. So you can kind of tell, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's around here. So I have about 1 ounce of the honey, 2 ounces of the bath and shower gel, and 5 ounces of distilled water, and it's warmed up. So that gives me 8 ounces total. I'm gonna mix it up. And you could easily do this in your bottle as well. Just add it, especially since you'd be able to see how much you're putting in. But for the sake of the video, and I wanted to be able to show you, and you can see what I'm doing instead of just adding it to a white bottle. So that's pretty, so you have to remember the foaming pumps have these larger inserts. Leave room for that, but I've already measured in 8 ounces is plenty of space. So you're gonna pour that in. Dissolves really nicely in just warm water. There you go, you can see where it's at. So that was exactly 8 ounces. And then I'm going to put the top on. So it's already mixed, but if I did mix it in here, I would kind of roll it back and forth. I wouldn't just shake it. It's already mixed really easily and it's ready to go. There we go. It's perfect. So I like the extra moisturization I get from the honey, and you can see how you do not need much. That was what I did, 2 pumps, but little goes a long way. It smells amazing. It's got the extra moisture in there from the honey, and this recipe can be adjusted to your preferences and what you like and what you're looking for. You could just add water, you could add more essential oils to it. This is pretty much the base of what I like my shower gel to be like if I do a foam. You also don't have to dilute it at all. You could just use like a drop of this and a little goes a long way. But definitely easy to stretch this shower gel. And I did 2 ounces, so I will get 4 full bottles like this. So 8 ounces turns into 32 ounces of foam. So I hope that was helpful, and I hope you guys enjoy your new foaming bath and shower gel. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.